Well, unfortunately for you, witches actually use a different type of network than we do.
I see.
Why not just take the hat back to her yourself?
Well, I have a feeling I'll see her soon enough. Probably when I least expect her